To use the KinesiaU Motor Assessment app, tap the KinesiaU icon. You will then be taken to the home screen of the app. The home screen includes buttons for starting assessments, viewing reports, and adding diary entries. To perform a KinesiaU motor assessment, tap the Start Assessment button. Instructions for performing the motor assessment are described in another video. Tapping the My Diary button allows you to record when you took medication and when you exercised. Select the date and time for which the event took place, and tap the Add a Medication Event button to add a medication event. Or the Add an Exercise Event to add an exercise event. To view your motor symptoms over time, tap the My Reports button. Here you will see your symptom severities over time. You can select tremor, slowness, dyskinesia, or all to display an average of all three. The color and height of the bar corresponds to the severity of the symptom, as described in the legend on the left. Medication and exercise events are indicated by the pill and running icons. Swipe left or right on the screen to move forward or backwards in time. In the upper left, you can select to display results by different time periods. Additionally, you can zoom in on a specific time interval by tapping on one of the bars. The button on the top left pulls up the Settings menu. On the Settings menu, tapping the About button brings up information about the app. Tapping the Schedule Alerts button allows you to set reminders for when to perform the KinesiaU motor assessments. Alerts can be switched on and off using the Use Alerts toggle at the top. You can then select the start time and end time for the alerts, as well as an alert interval to specify how often you're notified to perform the KinesiaU motor assessments. The subscription button allows you to see information about your current subscription. The Restore Data button is used if you install the app on a new phone and need to retrieve data already uploaded. To use the feature, contact Great Lakes Neurotechnologies at KinesiaU@glneurotech.com.